one thing is certain, we do need a leader for this country. But we cannot unite the country when you already start with a faction. Because I
Okay.
think the understanding that whatever side they are in, they are people at its core.
Okay.
They are people at its core, naghahanap buhay lang, looking for, gusto makapag-provide sa family, lahat yan may mga pangarap. They are not bad or bobo or whatever na subscription na or description na binibigyan ng mga tao. So, and I also believe na, ito for example, bro, since we talk about God, for example, do I hate people that is corrupt, that's making the people's lives harder? I'm angry. I'm angry, but I don't hate them. I even pity them.
Okay.
Why? Because if there's truly God,